What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Samsung Galaxy A54, we have its 3D 360 degree CAD renders, and not only that, its specifications, what you can expect from this smartphone, and the Geekbench scores. Now first of all, let's jump right into the specifications of the phone, what you can expect from it. Now it is the Galaxy A54 is said to be sporting a 6.4 inch of a display, which be a full HD plus panel and with a 120Hz of high refresh rate. Now it's an AMOLED panel, so you will also be getting an in-display fingerprint scanner in this smartphone, and the power button and the volume rockers will be on the right side of the phone. Well, the design of the smartphone is going to be similar more inclined towards the next generation of the Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup with a clear design. And the camera punch hole will be present in the front, and on the back the cameras will be going to be a simple camera bump only. Now considering this time it will be a triple camera setup, you can expect the three main cameras from the Samsung, which are the 50 megapixel of a primary sensor, an 8 megapixel of an ultra wide, and you can expect a 5 megapixel of a telephoto camera in this smartphone. Now if you're watching this video so far, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so we can reach our 3000 subscribers goal very soon. Now what we also know about its processor of this smartphone, then it's again one of the things which you can expect from a Samsung smartphone, and it will be coming with itself a Exynos 1380 processor from the Samsung itself, as the Exynos is produced by Samsung only. But what is also known about this smartphone is about its Geekbench scores. The Galaxy A54 5G was able to score a 776 of a single score processor, and for the multi-core score it was able to get up to 2600 of score. Now this test has been taken on 9th of December. Now considering this as a real one, then we can expect the smartphone to be launching in around January or as early as February first week. Now what we also be knowing about this smartphone is that it will be coming with Android 13 out of the box and supporting up to 4 major OS upgrades from the Samsung, as it's the new cycle from the Samsung. And the primary processor of this processor is indeed an octa-core, so you will be getting four power cores of 2.4 GHz and a 4 cores of 2.0 GHz. Now what we also know about this smartphone, apart from that, it's its battery capacity. You can expect a 5000 mAh battery in this smartphone and a 20 watts of fast charging. Now you will not be getting a charger inside the box, so you have to buy a charger separately for around 15 to 2200 rupees in India. You can convert these pricing in your region also. Now you will also be getting a stereo speaker setup in this smartphone and all over 5G bands to expect in the Samsung smartphone, around 12 to 13 5G bands. Now what do you think about this smartphone? And the pricing of this smartphone is said to be near to 30 to 35,000 rupees in India, considering this price segment of the Samsung, which has been playing for the Samsung Galaxy A53 also. Now the phone will also be coming with the IP68 water and dust resistance, and if you're liking these details so far, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also, we will be covering all of these informations and about the upcoming smartphones, so hit that bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.